Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and I am a product manager at Mahana. Today I'm going to introduce you to our latest feature in Mahana, which is Save Plus Pots. What are Save Plus Pots? Save Plus Pots are a feature inside Mahana Save Plus that lets you organize your savings by splitting it into different pots. For example, our team member Zen had two goals in mind when he opened Mahana Save Plus. Number one, Zen wanted to build his emergency fund, and number two, Zen wanted to upgrade his phone. So what Zen did is that he created two Save Plus pots to organize his funds on Mahana. What Zen realized is that the pot's funds are invested in Mahana Islamic Cash Fund, which is the same fund behind Mahana Save Plus account. It's Sharia compliant, low risk, and Zen was able to start with just 1,000 rupees. I'm going to create a Save Plus pot on the Mahana app. मैंने अपनी ऐप यहाँ खोल दी है. Just make sure your app is on the latest version as well. And ऐप खोलते ही आप स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे. Save Plus के सेक्शन के नीचे ही एक सेक्शन होगा इंट्रोड्यूसिंग Save Plus pots. फिर बटन है क्रिएट अ पॉट, उस पर क्लिक करें. टैप करने के बाद आपको एक स्क्रीन आएगी, उस पर लिखा होगा कि Save Plus pot के रिटर्न्स कितने हैं. It's actually the same as a Save Plus account because both invest in Mahana Islamic Cash Fund and you can start as low as 1,000 rupees. Go ahead and tap on continue. Now it's asking us to name the pot. For my example, I can go with emergency funds. Continue. It's asking us क्या हम monthly contribution करना चाह रहे हैं या फिर हम एक target amount achieve करना चाह रहे हैं. आप कोई सा भी option choose करें. You can still contribute monthly if you want. You can still contribute as per your own convenience. There's no strictness involved here. तो मैं अपने लिए यहाँ पे target amount choose करूँगा. हम अपनी estimates डालेंगे just to see कि हमारे पैसे की value क्या बनेगी एक certain time के बाद. For example, let's say मैं initial investment कर रहा हूँ 10,000 की and मेरा target amount है emergency fund का 5 लाख. So let's change this to 5 lakhs. And let's say I want to be able to achieve this emergency fund in 3 to 4 years. So my duration of investing change कर रहा हूँ 3 years. And this figure right here is telling you कि मुझे monthly कितना इन्वेस्ट करना होगा to achieve this goal in 3 years. And if I scroll down, मुझे ये भी पता चलेगा कि अगर मैं यही पैसे बैंक की सेविंग्स अकाउंट में डालूंगा तो उसकी क्या वैल्यू होगी as opposed to हमारे Save Plus के अंदर. Let's scroll down and tap on continue to move forward. Okay, now we're on the risk profile screen. On this screen, you can see how your investment will grow over time. In fact, you can even play around with the numbers here if you want. We're just gonna skip ahead and scroll down. And यहाँ पे portfolio दिख रहा है कि हमारे पैसे कहाँ पे invest हुए होंगे. For example, Sharia compliant bank deposits, Ijala supports and short-term supports. Continue करते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. And now we have to enter the first deposit amount that we will be putting into this pot. And 10,000 की value choose की थी and मैं उसी से आगे बढ़ता हूँ. Add money. On this screen, we can decide whether to deposit via Rast or bank deposit. Let's say you want to deposit via Rast. So now we're going to generate this pot's investment IBAN. This will be different than your Save Plus cash management accounts IBAN. तो आपको इससे फायदा ये होगा कि जब आपको पॉट में पैसे डालने होंगे डायरेक्टली रास्त से तो आप आराम से कर सकते हैं एंड आपका कैश मैनेजमेंट अकाउंट का IBAN बिल्कुल अलग ही रहेगा. So now I'm going to generate the IBAN. It's going to take a few seconds. So if I scroll down, I have my IBAN number right here. I'm going to copy it and paste it into my bank's app and transfer the 10,000 amount that I've decided for my pot. Answer a few questions that you might have about Save Plus pots. So your existing funds in Save Plus stay in the main account. They will not be affected by your amount in pots and vice versa. Pots is just a way to organize your savings. That's it. Yes, you can withdraw from Save Plus pots anytime, just like how you might withdraw from your Save Plus main account. Just go to withdraw money, choose the pot, and send the money to your bank. So you can do this easily by withdrawing your money from your Save Plus account into your bank account and then depositing it into your pot. If you have no money in the pot, it will get deleted automatically. But if you have some money in the pot, then your money will get withdrawn to your default bank account. That's all for today. So Save Plus Pots helps you organize your savings. Download the Mahana app now or update it to the latest version and start creating pots. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment them down below.